Crypto Billionaire 69 bag. In this video, we are going to go over the overall market sentiment and technical analysis on Dogelon Mars, so stay to the end of the video to get the most value. Before we get into the video, I want to go over the Patreon. A lot of you guys have reached out to me and asked to open new spots in the Patreon, and I am notifying you guys right here and right now that the spots are opened. It is currently May 1st. So beginning of the month, go get your Patreon spots for real-time buy and sell alerts and market updates on what to watch. It is perfect for those who, let's say, have a job and don't have time to watch the markets all day long, or for those who just simply want to learn while they earn. So, Crypto Billionaire 69, let's get straight into the charts, my friends. We have seen a nice break through the bottom of this 0.618 Fibonacci, okay? We saw a breakdown, and we saw a push back through, okay? This is major here. It looks like we are coming back down to test previous support around these 882s again, okay? So, this is major to watch, and this is the levels we need to watch. 882 is very big. We have 1, 2, and the top of this red candle body here, that is of support. So, this is the best bullish case scenario that we can see with this candle. If this candle closes at the maximum, if it closes above this 982s, that's called a bullish engulfing candle, okay? So, bullish engulfing candle will come up and engulf this previous red candle, okay? That's a very, very good sign, very bullish sign to the upside that we will be continuing higher in the next week. However, if we close in a somewhat doji candle like we are heading towards now, but above these 903s, okay? If we close above these 903s and below these 982s, that means we have a higher chance that this next candle will indeed push higher than these 982s, all right? However, on the flip side, if we close below these 903s, that means we have a good chance of breaking through the bottom of these 879s, heading all the way back down to these 8 levels to retest, around these 8s, okay? If you ask me, I think that is fine, because as we come back down, we have seen before that this upward trend line is holding very nicely, so we would want to watch these 8 levels for another bounce, okay? These 8 levels is what we would want to watch to add more bags. Now, if you look at the volume is decently high compared to this previous lull we were in here, all right? Now, if you guys have been watching for a while, this whole time, it was just a matter of time before we saw this. And I have updated you guys back in the day that this was a very nice time to average in around these 6.2s. So, if you would have done so, you would have made a nice 100%. Now, I wouldn't expect you to sell off because we are going to make a lot more than 100% in the future, okay? It's about patience, my friends, patience. You could take the 100% gain and miss out on the 1,000% gain, all right? But you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. You want to wait, you want to hold, and follow my non-financial advice. This is not financial advice. Simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. This is how I'm trading. And in no way, shape, or form should you follow my trades. However, if the information I put forth helps you determine a better outcome, then, it's better to make the correct decision in your investing life. So, what are we looking at here? Let's drop time frames. I'm very curious. 2 hourlies. All right. This is pretty nice right here. This is pretty nice. We saw a nice, huge green candle come and push higher than the previous red body at these 948s. Then major selling pressure come back in. After this major selling pressure, we are resulting in a open we have opened this previous candle above the body of this green candle. So it's a crucial point right now. Will we drop below this body at these 923s, or will we hold above it and continue to move higher? So in order to get it even more in depth, we're going to drop to the 30-minute candles. We are creating higher lows on the 30 minutes. It is a doji candle, indeed. So what we would want to see in order for this to be the most extremely bullish is for it to push these 930s within the next 15 or so minutes. Probably less than that. This is more day trade analysis, my friends. If you guys are day trading crypto, this is the stuff you would want to watch, okay? This is type of stuff you learn in the course. This is just skimming the surface on it. However, I want to go over one single strategy that is very, very important. And it shows that we are, I'm just going to go ahead and refresh the page. It shows that we are, this is all temporary. Okay, look. Tune in real quick, my friends. If you look here, we have a high. We have a support. And then we have lows. Okay? Higher lows. This is extremely bullish. Extremely bullish. So, into the future, if all factors stay the same, we should see an explosion at or before the 1st of October. Or to be very at these intersecting levels, the 26th of October. Okay, seems far away. However, this is if all variables stay the same. And my friends, these are great, great times to start adding to your portfolio, my friends. I'm telling you. Just look at it, okay? The only way we will continue to go lower is if the overall market continues to go lower. And even then, look, we held around these levels here when the market was extremely low. And the sentiment was extremely low. Right now, the crypto fear and greed index is in extreme fear. Okay, the last time we saw that, we were at lows here. Okay, so we are indeed making higher lows, indicating that buyers think this thing is going to take off in the future because they are holding the price higher. They are getting in at higher levels because they see that these levels, 928, this is a discount now. Okay, so it's a really good sign. And by the 29th, 26th, 27th of October, somewhere in that range, this is my prediction. We will definitely be back up to these 19s. No doubt in my mind. All right. That's if Bitcoin continues to reverse. We have seen a nice little reversal pattern in Bitcoin here. Okay. If Bitcoin continues to move higher, continues to follow this upward trajectory that is creating at the moment, then we shall see Dogelon Mars continue up to these 17 levels as well. And if you got in around the 6.2 levels when I first issued that alert on the Patreon, and we are on 17, that's almost 200% gain, my friends. And it's just a start. We are going to see much, much more than that. So stay tuned, my friends. We have a long journey ahead of us. And Bitcoin, this is important. We want to see a nice little bounce here soon. On the daily candles, we want to see it come back up and close above these 41,000s. Okay, if we can see that, that's very bullish. And Dogelon Mars will go crazy. Absolutely crazy. So, Crypto Billionaire 69. Check out the Patreon if you don't really know what you're doing or you need some help and you want to learn while you earn. There are new spots open. Link is in the description, my friends. Crypto Billionaire 69. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.